What's up everyone, Alessandro the Crypto here, and welcome to this Bitcoin price analysis. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, guys, and of course also new hyped upcoming cryptos. We're gonna have a look into that, of course, guys. I'm gonna give you as well a little update here on Tether King, this crypto game that I'm playing right now, and also major news, guys. As I told you, currently I am testing around with those Bitcoin miners. So those are Bitcoin lottery miners, like this puppy over here that you can see. So I'm currently testing here some stuff with Bitcoin solo mining, and I want to bring also some tutorials how to create your own Bitcoin node with whatever PC that you have laying around maybe at home that you don't need anymore, that you can use, for example, to run a Bitcoin node, and of course also to run, for example, such a miner, a Bitcoin miner. This is the Nerdkex++, which is one of the most powerful one, this little puppy over here, guys. And if you want to get started, I'm going to bring out some tutorials how to set it up, how to let it work, and so on. So this is the interface, for example, of one of my miners that you can basically also connect to my pool if you want, and all the details to my own pool, solo mining pool. This is a private Bitcoin solo mining pool that you can, if you want, especially if you are already a miner, you can connect to my pool. And I know that we aren't that many, but if we just connect a few miners together and we maybe can mine a block, we will get the full reward of 3.2 Bitcoin, I think, distributed through all the miners in our private pool. So join it, guys, if you want. I'm gonna leave all details here in the video description. Basically, if you want to connect to my pool, you just have to go to the settings of your miner, and then you put in here this IP address, the port that is opened, and then of course also your Bitcoin address dot your username. The password is X, so just X, and that's it. Then you save it, and then you immediately start to mine on our Alessandro the Crypto mining pool, guys. So currently there are two miners connected here. If you want to get on board, feel free to do that. And also in the video description, guys, where it says here Bitcoin solo miner in crypto mining tools, I'm gonna add two shops where currently I'm buying my miners. So one is Coin Mining Central, a very big shop, and the other one is Solo Mining. This is especially if you like those little solo miner here, these lottery miners, then you can check it out, especially if you are from Europe. Otherwise, of course, from the US and everywhere else, you can use Coin Mining Central, and use the links in the video description, guys. I'm gonna put them right here in order to get them. If you want, you can also get some of my miners by contact me over directly on Telegram, because my miners are of course tested and also a bit customized. So check it out, and also I can send there some pictures and so on. And also, if you're interested in a Bitcoin mining node, which is already set up with everything, just plug and play, then of course you can also contact me over on Telegram, because you can also get it directly through me if you want. And this is something that I want to focus also in this year, guys, to be basically part of the solution of Bitcoin, and not only doing Bitcoin trades and stuff like that, but also, of course, be part of the whole ecosystem. And with those lottery miners, guys, you basically let it run 24/7, and if you're lucky enough, you maybe can get a piece of the Bitcoin mining block rewards that currently is 3.2 Bitcoin. And if in our pool we can get to one block, then of course this will be distributed to all the miners automatically. So join it, guys. Also gonna bring some tutorials how to set up this and so on, but now of course in this video we're gonna focus in the Bitcoin price. So make sure to be subscribed on this channel, guys. We are hitting over 4,000 subscribers, so thank you very much for great support. Of course, also be part of this Maxi Global trading event that is taking place for the next 7 days, where you can get some prizes if you fulfill certain trading volumes. It is starting with 35 million. So if trading volume, then of course you can immediately get here some prices on Maxi Global. So sign up to this event, guys. The link is here in the video description, and also for new hyped upcoming cryptos like Liquid Chain, Bitcoin Hyper, Maxi Doge, and so on, and of course the crypto game Tether King. All links are here in the video description. So we're gonna start here with Bitcoin, guys. Of course, everything is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research, and I'm just sharing my own opinions and market analysis. And you can see that Bitcoin slowly is coming up again. We are currently at $92,300, and I still expect that very soon we're gonna see a big move to the upside, guys, and probably go way above $100,000. The reason is also not only because of the weekly time frame, but also of the daily time frame that is starting to look again more bullish. You can see that currently money flow was negative here, and now it is coming up and slowly coming back into positive money flow. This is exactly what we want to see. And also we are bouncing at the 50 level in the RSI. So everything is pointing out that we're going to see much bigger moves to the upside in the not so distant future, and I think that very soon we're also going to take out the previous highs that we had at $94,000. On the weekly time frame, I told you guys that we are about to get this bullish cross here basically on my indicators, and the last times that this happened on the weekly time frame, you can see that we had a massive move to the upside. So if you, for example, are doing some gains because of my predictions or price analysis or my indicators and so on, feel free of course to join our mining pool, or just get my indicators that you can find here directly with the link here on hoop.com, of course. So check it out, guys, and I think that we're gonna see very soon a nice move to the upside for Bitcoin. And here the US dollar dominance, guys, is about to fall off the cliffs in my opinion. Currently we're getting supported at the 200 weekly moving average, but I think that since all other moving averages are below the 200 weekly moving average, we're gonna see most likely here another pullback, probably down to retest one of the lower moving averages here, or the support trend line, of course, and afterwards maybe bounce from it and have a big run to the upside. Because remember, guys, we had here this big breakout to the upside from this falling wedge that we created on the US dollar dominance, and here we are inverse correlated. So whenever this is coming down, the crypto prices go up and vice versa. And here I'm expecting a potential drop down to the support trend line, and then we're gonna see if the bear market is here for Bitcoin, then we should bounce here, and then of course see a big bounce and continuation to the upside to at least where this falling wedge started, all the way up here. But if not, if we're gonna retrace back into this channel, then of course it's likely that we're gonna continue the bull run for Bitcoin and overall the crypto space. So this is something that I'm watching out right now. And since I'm bullish for the crypto space, of course I'm buying into new cryptos, guys. We have Liquid Chain with 2,400% staking rewards. Also here I'm buying in, and also here you can see that thanks to these high staking rewards, I'm getting a lot of free coins that I'm prepared. If the coin would come out and somehow it would rally, then of course getting in right now before the launch with this high API, in my opinion, it's a no-brainer. MaxiDoge, also another new meme coin that is upcoming. A new type of Doge coin is also coming up this year. Also here you can invest if you want. They raised so far 4.5 millions. And then of course Bitcoin Hyper, which is the biggest one out there with over 30 millions raised until now. You can get those coins, guys, with the links in the video description. There aren't many, so I have bought into all of them. And now of course I'm waiting for the big launch. And also, guys, if you're playing Tether King, this crypto game, you can see that more and more people are playing this crypto game right now. Maybe also because in the crypto space we are just going sideways, and people here in the crypto space, they like to do other stuff. And right now also this crypto game here is very hyped. You can see that every day I'm cashing out more than $10 every day. My total investment was between $200 to $300 in this game, but not only in terms of money that I put it in, but also in money that I converted here, my gems. Instead of cashing out, for example, today $12, I could convert it into gold, and this gives me 24,000 gold that I can use then to build up, for example, those houses here, two militia hut or almost one archer yard. And whenever you're buying those houses here and you make your kingdom bigger, the more USDTs or gems or gold per hour that you're gonna get. And this is how you can become bigger and bigger in this crypto game, and like that, of course, over time also have a nice income here in USDTs. Of course, also no financial advice, guys. We don't know how long this game is going to last, or how long the rewards are going so high, because currently 1,000 gems, so with my earnings here, 500 gems per hour, that means $1 per every 2 hours basically I'm getting here automatically without doing anything. We don't know how long those rewards are going to remain so high. That's why I'm taking advantage of this game right now. And also, if you want to get started, guys, I told you, you can start small like I did with those little houses, $10 per little house, and then already you're gonna start to earn gems and gold per hour here that you can then combine to build up more and more houses, or you save for a big one, or you go directly big and build up, for example, one of the most expensive houses here, the Mages Tower, costs $2,000 but also gives you $27.6 per day here in USDTs or gems. And remember, you can convert the gems into gold to build even more, or you just cash out. And I'm doing currently a bit both, a little bit cashing out, a little bit I converted into gold in order to build more, and like that of course I'm becoming bigger and bigger and getting more and more USDTs per day. My goal is to reach $200 per week. Currently I'm earning around $90 per week with this game, guys, by playing this Tether King game, and at the same time also earning USDTs. This is why it's so hyped at the moment, but my goal is to reach $200, and then I'm gonna most likely cash out more than converting into gold. But at the moment, I'm converting most of my gems into gold, and like that of course I can build up more. If you want to get started, guys, with $10, this gives you 10,000 gold. With that of course you can start directly to build up the first house if you want to try that out. The link to this crypto game, guys, is here in the video description. So let me know what do you think about it. I like it very much, and as I told you guys, every day I'm cashing out a little bit here. And also if you want to do that, then of course feel free to join this crypto game. And remember, every 24 hours you can also tune in here, attack other kingdoms, and get also much more gold that you can use then to build up new houses and stuff like that. So that's why I'm playing the game. I'm currently also doing some researches and try out some Bitcoin mining stuff. I created my own Bitcoin node, my own Bitcoin mining equipment and so on. So if you're interested, guys, then contact me over here on Telegram. If you want to get, for example, a Bitcoin node or one of my tested Bitcoin miners here, those little puppies here. And otherwise, check out the shops that you find here in the video description that will forward you to the best mining and crypto stores out there. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna salute you for now. Stay tuned, be subscribed. I'm bullish for the crypto space. I hope you do. And we're gonna see us, of course, all in the next one. Thank you and bye for now.